Here's how I use ContactMonkey to create our monthly newsletters. It's super easy and intuitive. Let's start by clicking Create New Email. And because I don't want to start an email from scratch, I go to Sample Templates, which is going to save me time. I select the template I'd like to use, and then I name it. Because I have different templates, different employee groups, and different segments, I want to create specific content for each group, so I select Dynamic Content Email. And our multi-language email feature allows you to send emails in up to 4 languages at a time. After hitting the Create button, I use the drag and drop builder to edit my email and design a polished newsletter in minutes. I can change the text and box colors based on my preference here. Not only text, I can create things such as surveys, buttons, GIFs, and more with the content blocks. If I get stuck, I can use the Write with AI feature to save time. After clicking the specific text box I want to change, click Write with AI. And then I can ask AI to write the December newsletter intro or handle other requests. After hitting the Generate button, an AI-generated paragraph will appear in just a few seconds. Click Apply to replace the text. It's really easy to preview in real mobile and desktop too by hitting the Preview button. And then I can see what it looks like on desktop and mobile, including dark and light mode. And because I work with a few people on my team to develop newsletters, I can collaborate in real time by leaving comments. I can mention my teammate here to update a specific section, and they'll get a notification. There it goes, my comment is generated. I can make this comment disappear by clicking the Resolve button at the top once it's addressed. That's it. Click Save and Exit to save changes and close.